Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Good morning and happy Sunday. Wanted to go over what coupons became available that are printable, that are completely free on coupons.com. Also wanted to go over any updates for new rebates on Fetch Rewards and Saving Star. I did check Ibotta as well. I don't have any additional bonuses or anything going on right now. So, bummer on that. I haven't been doing many Ibotta hauls anyways because I've been trying to minimize the amount that I'm at the store. And when I do my Ibotta hauls, it really takes me, honestly, like an hour at Walmart. I don't know why. I have everything ready to go, but to find all the items and scan them, make sure they match, things like that, and then do my video, it does take me a while, and I don't want to be inside Walmart for an hour. So that's why I haven't done any Ibotta hauls recently. We do have our inserts today. We have 4 inserts, so I'm going to be buying a newspaper and sending out the inserts for that lucky winner from the latest giveaway that I announced on my Walgreens Must Do Deals video. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Anytime I post new deals, you guys will be notified. I did post a couple rebates and good deals that Ibotta has on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there yet, the link is below in the description box. It's just Bree the Coupon Queen. Anytime I find one-off deals, I always post it on my Instagram first. That way, if those are items that you guys need from Ibotta, you guys can go and grab those rebates. So what I do on Sunday morning is I go to coupons.com, scroll through and see what printable coupons have become available. So we had 50 cents off one Kellogg's Honey Smacks, so you would have to buy that exact cereal. 75 cents off Windex. I haven't really found much Windex products in my stores lately either. $1 off Clorox Scentiva disinfecting mop cloths. That would definitely be a good coupon to print. $3 off Blue Rhino. This keeps resetting, which is awesome. Perfect for summertime. Stock up on a couple. We usually keep 2 tanks full. That way, if one runs out in the middle of us grilling some chicken or something, we're not kind of SOL. We can just switch out the tanks and be able to finish our dinner. So as a couponer, I always like to have a backup of everything. That way, you don't wind up running out of something and having to run to the store, and what a pain in the butt that is. 50 cents off one Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner. Culturelle, there are some new rebates on Saving Star as well, which we will get into shortly for Culturelle. So if that is a product you use, using this coupon, combining it with any in-store deals, and then of course the rebate can get for some really good savings. Ivory, $2 off 2 body wash. So Cozy, I've never seen that before, $2 off 1. We have $2 off Bic stationery products, $2 off of 2. This one says redeemable at Walmart, so you would have to do that at Walmart. Act mouthwash, $1 off 1. Arm & Hammer, we have $1 off 1 of the toothpaste. Finish Quantum, this is definitely a good coupon to print, $2 off 1. My printer is broken, unfortunately. It keeps saying there is a paper jam, so I'm trying to reinstall it and figure out what's going on with that so I can print some of these coupons as well. That's why I'm not clipping them, because I have no way of printing them right now, unfortunately. And these are just some ads and things like that. So those are the printable coupons. Little disappointed. I figured with 4 inserts and a P&G coming out, we would have gotten a lot more printable coupons. I know we will get another round on the 1st of April, so that's just a couple days away on Wednesday. So make sure you guys check back coupons.com on Wednesday. If a lot more come available, I'll try to do another video for you guys. So let's check Saving Star and see what new rebates we have. So I'm already logged into Saving Star, so the ones that are clicked are ones that I've already activated. So the ones that say new are ones that are new for today. So here is that Culturelle. So you would get a $3 rebate if you buy this. You would also have that $3 printable coupon, so that's saving you $6 right there. Ferrero Rocher is new. Go ahead and add that one. Copper Tone has always been there for the last couple weeks, so it expires on April 15th. It's only at Target, Walgreens, and Walmart. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes they do have specifics for what store you can use them at. Usually they have pretty long expiration dates as well. Simple micellar water does expire on Wednesday, so if you are trying to purchase those items, you'll want to grab that this weekend for sure. So those are the only ones that are new. We did have a Checkout 51 rebate for the Good Fats when it first came out, which made it a really, really good offer. So that's why I like to use a couple different rebate apps, because a lot of times they'll have the same rebates. So you can combine them, get the rebates back with the different offers, and then it makes for extra savings, some freebies, and of course, some money makers. So I want to go into Fetch Rewards now. You can't pull it up on the computer. It's an app only. So I want to go over the different new bonuses that I have on my account. Make sure you guys check your Discover page at the bottom and see what you guys have for bonuses. You may have the same ones. You may have a couple different ones. So if you don't know how to use the Fetch Rewards app, you can click this link above. I did a video on all the ins and outs and features, how you use the app, how you get the points, and of course, how you can redeem those points for digital gift cards. So a couple newbies I have is on Dove Body Wash. 1,000 points back when you buy one, and you can submit it twice, one offer per receipt. So I'm going to be doing the Dove deal today at CVS, and that'll get me an additional $1 back. There's 1,250 points on Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash, which would be $1.25. 1,000 points on Dove Men Plus Care Antiperspirant Deodorants. 1,000 points on Dove or Baby Dove Body Lotion. Also got 1,000 points on St. Ives Body Lotion. We have 1,000 points on Garnier Hair Color, 1,000 points for L'Oreal Paris Hair Color as well, 850 for Dove Shampoo and Conditioner, and 1,000 points for Axe Body Wash. So a ton of great deals going on at CVS. A lot of them we can combine with these rebates right here. So stay tuned on my channel. I will have my CVS haul up for you guys shortly. If you have any questions, of course, make sure you drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.